Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 1.2 question number 1. The question is Sankari purchased 2 into 1/2 meter cloth to stitch a long skirt and 1 into 3/4 meter cloth to stitch blouse. If the cost is rupees 120 per meter, then find the cost of cloth purchased by her. Okay, so in this problem they are given, so Sankari purchased 2 into 1/2 meter cloth to stitch long skirt. Okay, and 1 into 3/4 meter, 1 into 3/4 meter cloth to stitch blouse. Okay, if the cost of per meter is rupees 120, then find the cost of cloth purchased by her. Okay, solution. So in this word problem they are given cloth to stitch a long skirt. Okay, cloth to stitch a long skirt. Cloth to stitch a long skirt equal to 2 into 1/2 meter. Okay, 2 into 1/2 meter. And then cloth to stitch a blouse. That is 1 into 3/4 meter. Okay, 1 into 3/4 meter. So here we have to find the total cloth. Okay, total cloth. And then in this problem they are given per meter. The cost of per meter equal to rupees 120. So before that we have to find the total cloth. Okay, so total cloth equal to, so here we are using total cloth. So we are using the addition of fraction. So adding these 2 into 1/2 plus 1 into 3/4. Okay, 2 into 1/2 plus 1 into 3/4. So here the given fractions are mixed fraction. So we have to convert it to the improper fraction. So how do we convert it? Whole number multiple of denominator plus numerator divided by the denominator. Okay, so here the whole number is 2 and the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. So in the same way here 1 is the whole number and this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, so whole number multiple of denominator. So 2 multiple of 2 plus numerator is 1 divided by the denominator is 2 plus whole number 1 multiple of 4 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so here 2 multiple of 2. 2 twos are 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 divided by 2. And then here 1 multiple of 4 equal to 4. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So 7/4. Okay. 5/2 plus 7/4. Okay. So here we get the improper fraction. So that is 5/2 plus 7/4. But in this fraction the denominators are different. Okay, the denominators are different. So first we have to convert it to the proper fraction. Improper fraction, we get the improper fraction. Here we have converted to the improper fraction into the proper fraction. So here we are taking the LCM. Okay, taking the LCM of the denominator, that is 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. So taking the LCM of the given numbers 2 and 4. So here 2. Okay, 2. 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, 2. 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2. Okay, so the LCM. Okay, LCM of the given numbers 2 and 4, we get 2 multiple of 2 equal to 4. Okay, so taking the first fraction 5/2. How many times of 2 is 4? 2 times. Okay, 2 twos are 4. So multiple of 2. 2 multiple of 2 as this multiple as the numerator by 2. Okay, 5 twos are 10. multiple of 1, 7 multiple of 1. Okay, so multiple this, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10 divided by 4 plus 7 ones are 7 divided by 4. So we get a proper fraction 10 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So here the denominators are same. So write the common denominator 4 and simply add the numerator only. So 10 plus 7. So 10 plus 7 we get 10 plus 7 equal to 17. So 17 divided by 4. Okay, 17 divided by 4. So dividing this 17 by 4. 17 divided by 4. So that is 4 4s are 16. Okay, remaining 1. Okay, 17 minus 16 equal to 1. Okay, so the answer is the quotient. So the format is quotient into quotient remainder divided by the dividend. Okay, remainder by the dividend. So here the quotient, this is the quotient, remainder, this is dividend. Okay, so the quotient is 4, the remainder is 1 and the dividend is 4. Okay, meter. So the total cloth equal to 4 into 1 by 4 meter. Okay, the total cloth equal to 4 into 1 by 4 meter. That is 4 into 1 by 4 meter. But in this problem we have to find the total cost of cloth. Okay, total cost of cloth. Already we know about per meter of cloth. Okay, per meter of cloth the cost is 120. Okay, rupees 120. Okay, so here we get 4 into 1 by 4 meter. So 4 into 1 by 4 meter equal to, so total cost of cloth. So total cost of cloth equal to 4 into 1 by 4 multiple of 120. So here we are using the multiple of fraction. Okay, multiple of 120. So here mixed fraction into the, convert it to the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So we get 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. 17 by 4 multiple of 120. Okay, so dividing this, the denominator is 1. Okay, so dividing this, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 30. Okay, so 17 multiple of 30 divided by 1. Okay, so 70 multiple of 30 we get 70 multiple of 30. 70 multiple of 30 we get 70 30. Okay, multiple this 0, anything multiple of 0 is 0. So 0 0. 7 3s are 21. So 1 here and 2 is carry over and 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So consider here this is 0. Adding this 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1 5. Okay. So rupees 510. Okay. So total cost of cloth. Therefore total cost of cloth equal to rupees 510. Okay. Okay kids, thank you. See you next class.